Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, we will tell you about the Flashforge Guider 3 Plus Professional Desktop 3D Printer. The Guider 3 Plus is a single extruder FDM machine with a large build area of 350 by 350 by 600 millimeters. Its key design features are the CoreXY kinematics and the dual ball screw drive on the Z-axis. A few words about the base model. The Guider 3 does not look like the Plus version. It's more compact, and the overall design is noticeably different. As for the technical specifications, they are generally similar, with the main exception, perhaps, of the build volume being considerably smaller at 300 by 250 by 340 millimeters. The Guider 3 Plus has a completely enclosed build chamber and a print bed capable of heating up to 120 degrees Celsius with a flexible cover. The maximum extruder heating temperature is 320 degrees, with a hot-end quick replacement feature. Advanced hardware and build quality allow printing at speeds of up to 250 millimeters per second without compromising quality. The Guider 3 Plus can process a wide range of plastic filaments, including ABS, PLA, PETG, polycarbonate, nylon, polypropylene, glass, and carbon fiber enhanced composites. Two sealed compartments with silica gel have integrated temperature and humidity sensors and are designed to store 1 kilogram spools of filament. Both the proprietary Flash print software and any other convenient slicing program, such as Cura or Slicer, can be used to prepare 3D models for printing. You can send files to the machine via USB, Ethernet, or a wireless connection. The practical features of the Guider 3 Plus include the automatic bed leveling system, 7-inch touchscreen, filament sensor, air purification system based on a HEPA 13 filter, and a video camera for online monitoring. The machine is able to resume printing after a power outage and automatically turns off when the print is finished. The Flashforge Guider 3 Plus is a great fit both for prototyping and producing functional parts. It will be a versatile tool for an equipment repair engineer, designer and inventor, decorator, or artist. This is Top 3D Shop with the Flashforge Guider 3 Plus FDM 3D Printer overview. Subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below, and hit the like button if you've enjoyed the video. See you soon.